Hey, the supreme form of love.
Yeah.
Biravara was a poor Brahmin. He lived with his wife and two children. He was the gatekeeper at the palace of the king.
Gatekeeper में
Gatekeeper joge jegi. Hello, security. Palace of the king Vikramatunga. Biravara was a loyal to the king. Loyal नहीं तो
लॉयर में पूरा ये दिला
मानी की चल to the king and was humble in character. He performed his
हम्बल
duty.
माने
Humble माने बहुत भद्र थिला ହେଲା ତାर character. He performed his duties with all sincerity and responsibility. One night the king heard a cry of a woman at a short distance. Out of sympathy, ହେଲା, the king asked Biravara to go and find the woman. ସେ woman ଟା କିଏ ଯାଇ ଦେଖିବାକୁ କହିଲେ. Biravara at once set out in search of the woman. Set out ମାନେ ବାହାରିବା. At once ମାନେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ. ଜାଣିଛୁ? The king also followed him secretly. King ବି ତାଙ୍କ ପଛେ ପଛେ ଆସିଲେ. Spend yourself for the other. You will be rewarded. Following the cry, ତାପରେ ସେ କାନ୍ଦ ପରେ ବୀରବର reached ପରେ ନାହିଁ କାନ୍ଦକୁ follow କରି କରି ହେଲା he reached the bank of a lake. He found a woman standing in the middle of the lake. woman ଗୋଟେ ଛିଡ଼ା ହେଇଛି ହେଲା weeping and wailing କାନ୍ଦୁଛି
ମାନେ
weeping ମାନେ ବି କାନ୍ଦିବ wailing ମାନେ ଟିକେ ଜୋର କରି କାନ୍ଦ ବୀରବର asked her about the reason of her lamentation. lamentation ମାନେ ଦୁଃଖ ମୋ ପାଇଁ କାନ୍ଦୁଛି ହେଲା she replied ସେ କହିଲା I am mother earth, your king is my husband. Okay, on the third day death will snatch his life. ସେ କହୁଛି third day ରେ death ତାଙ୍କ ଲାଇଫ ଟା ଛଡେଇ ନବ from him. Therefore I am bemoaning. ମୁଁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ କାନ୍ଦୁଛି his loss. Biravara could not think about any danger that would happen to the king. ହେଲା ସେ କହିଲା ନା ମୁଁ ଏମିତି କିଛି ହବନି his king was just his king was just his king was just think about any danger sorry his king was just and he was a loyal servant to his king. His king was just ସେ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଲୋକ ହେଲା ଭଲ କାମ କରନ୍ତି just and he was a loyal to his king. So he asked Mother Earth, oh Mother Earth, tell me how can I save the king from ହେଲା imminent death ଯୋଉଟା ଆସୁଛି imminent ମାନେ ଯୋଉଟା ଆସୁଛି even Mother Earth ହେଲା even at the cost of my life ମୋ ଜୀବନ ତ୍ୟାଗ କରି ତାଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ବଞ୍ଚେଇବି or my wives ମୋ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀକୁ ବି ମୁଁ ଇଏ କରିଦେବି and my children ତାଙ୍କ ଜୀବନ ଦରକାର ହେଲେ ବି ମୁଁ ଦେବି I want to save my king ହେଲା Mother Earth said my son there is only one way to save the king if you sacrifice your son at the temple near the palace କହୁଛି ତୋ son କୁ ସେଠି ତୁ ବଳି ଦବୁ କୋଉଠି temple ରେ goddess will be pleased ହେଲା then the king will be saved. Saying this Mother Earth disappeared. Mother Earth ସେଠୁ ପଳେଇଲେ The king was standing at a distance, hearing the conversation between Mother Earth and Biravara. ସେ ଶୁଣୁଥିଲେ king taking an oath to save the life of the king at the cost of his son's life. Biravara left the place. ସେଇ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରତିଜ୍ଞା ନେଲା ମାନେ ମୁଁ କିଙ୍ଗଙ୍କ ଜୀବନ ରକ୍ଷା କରିବି After reaching home he narrated the incident to his wife. ତା wife କୁ ସେ ବତେଇଲା କହିଲା ହେଲା एगुड़ा सब पढ़ा है कराही तार था he gave कोड ये माने you are not taking माने इतने इंटरेस्ट नो she gave consent to her husband to offer their son to the goddess ହେଲା ସେ ବି ତାକୁ ରାଜି ହେଇଗଲା अच्छा so they both woke up their son को उठेले they informed him about their decision hearing this he was happy to offer himself कहला हाँ ମୁଁ ମରିବାକୁ ready ଅଛି for the sake of the king the family reached the temple there Biravara offered his son to the goddess ସେ ତାକୁ ହେଟେ ଇଏ କଲା ବୁଝିପାରିଲ he was proud of his courageous and loyal son the goddess became happy and pleased with the sacrifice ସେ ବଳି ଦେଇଦେଲା She appeared before Biravara and told him to ask any boon ସେ କହିଲେ କଣ ବର ମାଗୁଛୁ ମାଗେ boon ମାନେ ବର he said oh goddess if you are pleased with me let my king Vikramatunga live 100 years more goddess granted him this boon and as a reward for his loyalty gave back his son too अभी son को भी फेरे देले है सही बचिएला the king was standing at a short distance watching all this tears rolled out of his eyes he ran fast to Biravara and embraced him ताकि जे कुंडे पकड़ले Biravara को this story tells about the great sacrifice done by a poor man for the sake of his king he sacrificed his own son so as to save the king ହେଲା he did it without expecting any sort of reward से केबे चाहि नथिला जे मते रिवार्ड मिलिबो से करि चलथला काम what do you mean by sacrifice sacrifice is a holy action of offering something to somebody for own or his good ହେଲା sacrifice is a holy action ହେଲା of offering दे दियंती त्याग कर दियंती something to somebody for own or his good even we analyze the ancient religious practices or cults तांको culture जदि हमें analyze करिबा जदि विश्लेषण करिबा we can see various tradition in which people offer sacrifices to God ହେଲା बहुत जगह रे बहुत ट्रेडिशन अच्छी प्रथा अच्छी जो कि गॉड को सैक्रिफाइस दौथिले they offered the best things they had as sacrifice तार जिमती पुओटा बेस्ट थिंग थिला से सैक्रिफाइस दे देला with the ultimate aim of pleasing the god तांकर मेन एम थिला शेष इच्छा थिला कोन ना to please the god सबु बेले दिया होची से करूनी ମୁଁ ଏଠି ବସିବାକୁ ଆସୁନି ନା ମୁଁ ଏଠି ପଢେଇକି କିଛି ଯାଉଛି ସେ କରିବାର ଅଛି ବହୁତ ଜିନିଷ ପଢେଇକି ଯାଉଛି ପିଲା କିଛି କରୁନି sacrifices are for two types namely bloody sacrifice non bloody sacrifice कोथरे रक्त आसे कोथरे ये bloody sacrifice कोन in the ancient times people offered bloody sacrifice to god for this they used animals, birds, and even human beings who they do the body. Even in this modern age, okay, we see people who offer human sacrifice based on some false religious beliefs. Why do some people prefer bloody sacrifice? कहीं bloody sacrifice से मैंने चाहूँगी See, people believe that sacrifice is a true way of to please gods. Sacrifice करने God पूरा please है so, they want to satisfy or please God by offering some really valuable thing. Life is considered to be very important and precious. Blood is the symbol of life. So, People offer blood by using animals as a sacrificial victims. Animal को blood दियंती ये जो sacrifice victim करंती है. Thus the practice of bloody sacrifice exists even today. एबे भी अच्छी. When man sensed that human being is the most exalted creature of God, ଯେତେବେଳେ ସବୁଠୁ ବଡ଼ creature ହେଲା, he dared to offer human being to God as a sacrificial victim. ସେତେବେଳେ ସେ human being କୁ ବି ଦେଲା sacrifice. It is wrong. It is a false belief. God never demands human blood because man is the creation of God. We have studied that God created man in his image and likeness. Hello? Such a God can never want his blood to satisfy himself. Hello? ତେଣୁ ସେ କେବେ ଚାହିଁବେନି ଭଗବାନ ଯେ ବ୍ଲଡ୍ ହ୍ୟୁମାନ ବ୍ଲଡ୍ ତାଙ୍କୁ ମିଳୁ ବୋଲି. ହେଲା? ନନ୍ ବ୍ଲଡି ସାକ୍ରିଫାଇସ୍. ହେଲା? It is another form of sacrifice in order to please God or to express thanks to God for the favors received. ହେଲା ଆମେ ଯୋଉଟା ପାଉଛେ ସେଟା ଫେଭର୍ସ. ଯଦି ଜୀବନରେ କିଛି ଅର୍ଜିବା ସେଟା ଫେଭର୍ସ ଗଡଙ୍କର. People offer various valuables. ବହୁତ valuable ଜିନିଷ ସବୁ ଲୋକ ଦିଅନ୍ତି. They select the best things from and around their life. ହେଲା? For example, crops, vegetable, fruits, etc. ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ବି ସେମାନେ ଲୋକ ଇଏ କରନ୍ତି, ଅର୍ଜନ କରନ୍ତି, ତାକୁ ବି ଦିଅନ୍ତି. After harvest, people offer the best part of their crops as a symbol of gratitude to gods. Okay? Harvest, ଅମଳ ପରେ କିଛି crops ସେ ଦିଅନ୍ତି. ହେଲା? Symbol of gratitude to God. କୃତଜ୍ଞରେ ହେଲା? କୃତଜ୍ଞତାର ଇଏରେ ସେମାନେ ସବୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତି. At many places, people offer the first product of their cultivation to God. First product of their cultivation भी God को दियंती जो चाषर. The harvest festivals are also celebrated as a result of this belief. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତମେ ଜାଣିଥିବ ନୂଆଖାଇ ଆମର ଗୋଟେ ହୁଏ harvest festival. If we analyze both sacrifices, whether bloody or non-bloody, the intention of the doer is seen as the same. Doer तो एका जिनस चाहूची ना जे करूची जे मोर भल हो बोली ସେଥିପାଇଁ sacrifice କରୁଛି. Hence we can see two conditions that make the sacrifice more meaningful. ଦିଟା condition ଅଛି. They are total surrender. ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା total surrender of the offerer. ହେଲା? And the acceptance of the offering by the God. God ତାକୁ ଯୋଉ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରିବେ. Primarily, the offerer should offer wholly. ହେଲା? ସେ ପୁରା ଦବା ଦରକାର. At the feet of the God. He should not have any kind of hesitation. ତା ମନରେ କିଛି hesitation ରହିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ. କିଛି ବୁଝିପାରିଲେ ନାହିଁ? ତେଣୁ or doubt about the efficacy of the offering. ତେଣୁ secondly the sacrifice must be acceptable to one. ତେଣୁ ଭଗବାନଙ୍କୁ ସେଇଟା ବି acceptable ଗ୍ରହଣ ଯୋଗ୍ୟ ଦରକାର. whom it is offered. Then only the sacrifice will be meaningful. Sacrifice and relationships. Sacrifice is considered to be the supreme form of love in one's relationships. ହେଲା? ତାହେଲେ ଏଟା ହଉଛି sacrifice କଲ ମାନେ ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ ବଡ ପ୍ରେମରେ ଯାଉଛି. The bond of love is enriched by one's own offering. ଆମେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ କିଛି ଅଫରିଂ ଦଉଛେ, କିଛି ଗିଫ୍ଟ ଦଉଛେ for the cause of the other. This is reflected in daily life in various ways. ବୁଝିପାରିଲ? We can clearly notice that the act of sacrifice is reflected in all the three basic human relationships. ହେଲା, human relation जो ଅଛି, family relation ଅଛି, religious relation ଅଛି, social relation ଅଛି ଆମ human ମାନଙ୍କର। ସବୁଠି ଆମେ sacrifice କେମିତି କରୁଛେ ଲେଖୁଛି। Family is considered to be the smallest community. ଆମ ଘରେ ଗୋଟେ family ଅଛି, ପରିବାର ଅଛି। Family is the place where one can witness the mutual offering. ହେଲା, ଆମେ ଇଏ ତାକୁ କିଛି ଦଉଛି, ସେ ତାକୁ କିଛି ଦଉଛି, ଏମିତି ଦବା ନେବା ଚାଲିଛି। Here the parents offer or sacrifice their lives for the welfare of the children. ତାଙ୍କ ଜୀବନ ଯାକ ସେ ପିଲାଙ୍କ ପିଛା ଗାର୍ଡିଆନ ମାନେ ସାକ୍ରିଫାଇସ୍ କରନ୍ତି। ହେଲା, ପିଲାଙ୍କ ମଙ୍ଗଳ ପାଇଁ। In return, ତା ବଦଳରେ କଣ ହୁଏ? The children live for their parents. Children ମାନେ ବି ବଞ୍ଚନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ parents ମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ, parents ମାନଙ୍କ ଭଲ ପାଇଁ। You might have thought about the pain that your parents suffer for you. ତମ ପାଇଁ କେତେ ପେନ୍ ନଉଛନ୍ତି ତମ ଫାଦର ମାନେ ଜାଣିଥିବ। ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ମାନେ ତମକୁ ରୋଷେଇ କରି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି, ତମକୁ ବହୁତ ଜିନିଷ ତମ ପାଇଁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି। Try to think about your own life situations. How do your parents take pain for your studies? हैना? Especially during the time of examination. How do they hard work in order to make your life happy? यदि ସେମାନେ ସେଟା ସବୁ କରନ୍ତିନି ହାର୍ଡ ୱାର୍କ, ତମେ ତ ନିଜେ ରୋଷେଇ କରନ୍ତ, ତୁମେ ତ ଖାଇବାକୁ ବୁଲନ୍ତ, ମାଗନ୍ତ ଯାଇକିରି ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ଭିକ। ତେଣୁ they sacrifice every moment of their life for the welfare of their children. Each and every child should be aware of this fact. ସମସ୍ତେ ଏଟା ଜାଣିବା ଦରକାର। ଯେ ଜାଣିବ ସେ ଦୁଷ୍ଟ ହବନି। ବୁଝିପାରିଲ? Religious relationship. Man originates from God. Man ଆସିଛି Godଙ୍କ ପାଖରୁ and keeps a continuous relationship with him. This relationship is established and reflected in his religious practices. ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ମନ୍ଦିରକୁ ଯାଉଛେ, ପୂଜା କରୁଛେ ଘରେ, ହେଲା, ଏଟା ହେଲା religious practices. ଧାର୍ମିକ କାମ। In our relationship with God, we should experience the feeling of total surrender. ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପୂଜା କରୁଛେ ପୁରା ଟୋଟାଲ ସରେଣ୍ଡର ଆମେ ଫିଲିଂ କରିବା କଥା। ହେଲା, ଉତ୍ସର୍ଗ, ସରେଣ୍ଡର। In our sincere prayers, we experience the presence of God. ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ପ୍ରେୟାର କରୁଛେ ଗଡ ଅଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ଟିକେ ଭାବିବା ଦରକାର। As a result, we should surrender ourselves fully to Him. ସେତେବେଳେ ଜାଣି ଆମ ପାଖକୁ ଅନ୍ୟ କିଛି ଜିନିଷ ଆସିବନି, କେବଳ ତାଙ୍କ କଥା ଭାବିବା। ହେଲା, prayer raises the consciousness of man towards the supreme being. Prayer ଯୋଗୁ consciousness of man towards supreme being. ଆମେ ଟିକେ ଭଗବାନଙ୍କ ଉପରେ ଇଏ ହଉଛେ। Prayer is an exciting experience where the devotee realizes the presence of God and thereby surrenders himself. ହେଲା, exciting experience. ତମେ ପ୍ରେୟାର କରୁଛ ଡେଲି? କରୁଛ? And admits himself as his creature. Okay? God କୁ ସୁପ୍ରିମ ବୋଲି ଆମେ ଭାବୁଛେ, ସେ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି କ୍ରିଏଟର, ସେ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ସ୍ରଷ୍ଟା of the whole universe and admits himself his creature. ଆମେ ଜାଣୁଛେ ନାଇଁ, ହଁ ଆମ ଉପରେ ଜଣେ ଅଛନ୍ତି God. This surrender is also a sacrifice in itself. ଇଏ ଗୋଟେ ବି sacrifice. See, social relationships. Man lives in society. Hence, he is related to other people in the society in various ways. ହେଲା his relation with God and the family should be reflected in his social relationship. ହେଲା he must be ready to offer himself for the sake of his fellow men. ସେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଅଫର ହିମସେଲ୍ଫ ଆମର ଫେଲୋ ମେନ୍ ଆମ ଲାଗି ଯୋଉମାନେ ଆମ ପଛରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉ ଲୋକମାନେ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନେ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଆମର ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆମେ ବି ତାଙ୍କୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିବା କଥା when they are in need of ଯେତେବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କ ଦରକାର ଅଛି we could see how people help each other ଯେମିତି ଫେଲୋ ମେନ୍ ନରେନ୍ଦ୍ର ମୋଦିର ଆମେ ଆମ ଦେଶର ସେ ପ୍ରଧାନମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଆମେ ତାର ଫେଲୋ ମେନ୍ ହେଲା we could see how people help each other mutually in the bad times. We could sense the importance of these social relationships, especially during the time of natural calamities. Natural calamity ହେଲା ବେଳେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମାନେ ପ୍ରାକୃତିକ ବିପର୍ଯ୍ୟୟ ଯୋଉ ଇଏ ଆସିବ ବିପଦ like earthquake, tsunami, etc. तो लोग केमती अन्य को साहाय्य करती this social relation is formed and enriched by religious relationship and family relationship ହେଲା and enriched by religious relationship and a family relationship. This means if your relation with God is sincere, then enrich हुए. तब यदि religious relationship भल अच्छी, family relationship भल अच्छी, एटा भी भल होगा. Wholehearted, you will be sincere to others also. यदि God को पाए तमें sincere, others को पाए भी sincere होगा. On the other hand, if your relationship with God is broken, यदि God को संगे relationship तमारा भलो नहीं broken, the man to man relationship will also be broken. तो man to man relationship भी हबो नहीं भलो, हैला? Offer the real sacrifice. Considering these principles, we should realize that sacrifice of the heart with its emotions and feelings is the best form of sacrifice. Hello? Sacrifice of the heart with its emotions and feelings is the best form of sacrifice. ତେଣୁ ହୃଦୟ ଦିଅ sacrifice of heart. Hello? It is the ବୁଝିଗଲ it is done through our sincere prayers ଆମେ prayer କରିବା and renunciations त्याग କରିବା it is the sacrifice of the whole person the person himself with what he is with what he has is raised to God ତେଣୁ ଲୋକ ନିଜେ ହିଁ God ହେଇଯିବ ହେଲା God never looks at the things that are offered to him. God କେବେ ଦେଖନ୍ତିନି ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ କଣ ଜିନିଷ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦିଆଗଲା but heart of the doer only. ସେ ଦେଖନ୍ତି କୋଉ heart ସେ ଦେଇଛି. It is not this essence or gold that is more pleasing to him. ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ଧୂପ ଦଉଛେ essence or gold ତାକୁ ସୁନା ଦଉଛେ ସେଟା ତାଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗେନି. But a repenting heart, ଗୋଟେ ଅନୁତପ୍ତ heart of the man, ଯେ ମୁଁ ଭୁଲ କରିଛି, ମୁଁ ଠିକ କାମ କରିବା କଥା, ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ସେବା କରିବା କଥା, ହେଲା? Hence, it is said, God loves the sinner and hates the sin. ହେଲା? God loves the sinner and hates the sin. ପାପକୁ ଘୃଣା କରନ୍ତି, କିନ୍ତୁ ପାପକୁ ଘୃଣା କରନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ ପାପୀକୁ ଘୃଣା କରନ୍ତିନି ହେଲା so prepare yourselves to offer a sincere sacrifice before the Lord ତେଣୁ ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ ତ୍ୟାଗ ହେଲା ଇଏ କରିବାକୁ ତମେ गणक पाखरे करिया पई सम्मुखरे करिया पई प्रस्तुत हुआ प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ बुझिपारल